Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video, which is about how to fix or download shortcut not working on iPhone. So how can I fix this problem? So I will request to my all friends, brother and viewers on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So guys, first of all, do not waste any time, so let's get on solution. So first of all, you have open the Instagram and fix this problem. So you have download any video from Instagram, so you have click on share and go to share to, and then you have click all media, and then you have given us some step, you have skip, and then you have then 3 or 4 steps you have allow once, uh, and then privacy, and given the all media downloader you have step by step, and you will be should allow once, and then your video will be download. I will click on allow once, and then few seconds wait, and then other uh, permission given, allowance, and then other permission given, and your video allowance, and then last permission allowance, and then your video is download. And I have seen this video download, so click on photo, and then you will check on photos, video is download. So guys, uh, then fix this problem. So you have open the Safari browser, and then you have search on theme point. So theme point, and then you have click on first link, and then you have click on 3 dots of upper of screen. So you have click on iOS shortcut, and then only given iOS shortcut you have download all media downloader, or you want get the latest or downloader. So I will fix this all media downloader. So then you scroll up, then you have install shortcut and download here. You must be you want to install shortcut or download, no any issue, I will install shortcut, and then I have already download, then this shortcut will be replaced on my iPhone, so I have add shortcut, then I will already download. You already have a shortcut named all media downloader, would you like to replace your shortcut? Replace, and then this shortcut uh, automatic add by on iPhone. So I have click, then is loading, then you have allow, and then some steps you have update. Yeah, yes, I have update, allow, and then given us some process, and then you have add shortcut replace, then other is then cancel, and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.